Hi guys, today I'm gonna guess the flags of the world. I'm gonna play this.
Show it to me. What flag is that?
Estonia, Peru, Indonesia, Cuba, Vatican City,
Vatican.
Vatican, Ethiopia, Taiwan, Bulgaria, Brazil, South Korea, Chesney, Kenya, Switzerland, Iran, Ireland, Nepal, Greece, Philippines. This is where do we live. This one. Costa Rica, Qatar, Uruguay, Vietnam, Serbia, the creepiest. There's Ireland, Syria,
Syria.
Cyprus, Lebanon, Libya, Ecuador, Israel, Mongolia, Belgium,
Kulit.
Algeria, Laos, ads, Mexico, Venezuela, Finland, Slovenia, Italy, United Kingdom. Actually, this is North. Panama, Bangladesh, Argentina, Iceland, Madagascar, Cameroon, Jordan, Senegal, Ukraine, Austria, Sweden, Singapore, Canada. Actually, this help you guys like and subscribe. Norway, thanks guys. United States, France, Netherlands, Thailand, Iraq man, Espanyol, Malta, Guinea, Romania, Tunisia, Denmark. I got 72. China, 73. Australia. Oh my God! This thing has guns on it.
What country is that?
Mozambique. Oh my
Let's see
gosh.
if you can reach 100.
Yeah, I can reach 100 with only one heart. Don't disturb me, please. Don't disturb me.
Just continue. Just let her. How about that? You know that.
Bhutan. That's actually a dragon. Russia. Egypt. Russia.
Well,
Oh, I got it.
what's next? What?
Portugal. India.
Yes. How about that?
Oh
You
my
know that?
gosh. Jamaica.
How about that? It's what country is
New
that?
Zealand.
New Zealand.
Germany.
How about
Saudi Arabia. I got 88, guys.
Almost 100. Let's see.
30. I will win this.
Let's see.
I will get my phone from mommy. Morocco.
How about that?
Kazakhstan. 93.
Let's see.
Angola. Colombia. Chile.
How about that?
Hungary. Malaysia. Poland. Albania.
Yay!
Sri Lanka.
Yay!
Yes, I got it! I got it! Yeah! Yeah! Got it, mommy. Nanalo ako. I won! With only 1 star. I only won with only 1 star.
One mistake lang. 2.
Let's see. This one.